Hello, good morning. I'm Kirby Agudelo. Today, I'm going to show to you the Zoom H1 handy recorder. Will be introduction for the Zoom H1. In further videos, I'm going to show to you some features, but today I'm going to show to you what's inside and what you get. For my version with the sticker that says version 2.0 works as USB microphone, because before it just works as a handy mobile recorder, and then the memory card you have to unload it to the computer via like a mass storage device via USB. But now you can use this as a USB microphone, so you don't have to transfer files a lot if you want to record on the fly. So let's start. I really don't have a sealed box version. I'm just going to demonstrate how I unboxed it from the store. Of course, you have to open this. Once you open the box, you have the, of course, the Zoom H1 itself, and then you have a AA battery. The brand is GP. I'm not sure if it's different in different countries, but it's GP here. Not for retail sale, it says in the battery. Oh, nice case. In the plastic bag, you have your micro SD, 2 GB micro SD. It says pre-tech micro SD memory card with the standard SD card adapter, so you can use this in your normal SD card reader. It's SDHC. So you have in the bag, you have your, SD card usage precautions, and the Japanese at the back, the translation. This one reminds the user that the SD card is some kind of agreement that Zoom has no liability for any damages on data corruption on the SD card during use, or data loss. Some legal terms on how to use the SD card. And then you have the paper that says that this bundle has the version 2. It has the change logs from the version 1 released in July 2010, and the version 2.0 firmware upgrade released in October with bug fixes and the new feature of the USB microphone feature. But if you have the original H1, you have I think the firmware is upgrade. I think the firmware upgrade is free. And then you have your H1 quick starter guide. It's a nice, easy to read document. But in the H1 version, it has the H1 version 2. It has the instructions how to use the microphone as a USB microphone. Also included in the package is the user manual for the WaveLab LE7. It's in English and Japanese. WaveLab LE7 is the software that you can use to edit the audio files. The software runs on Windows 7 and Mac OS X 10.6. It also tells you how to use your microphone as a mass storage device, the traditional way. The USB microphone feature is just like how I use in my Zoom G2NU. If you see my other guitar videos where I record guitar covers or whatever, in the more specific term to be used is it's a USB audio interface. You connect the Zoom via USB interface, and your operating system will detect that it is a audio interface with a input and output module. I don't know how it will look like in your operating system, but in my Ubuntu operating system, that's how I see it. The weird thing is it says H4 input device. Maybe because of the firmware update. That's what it's called. Later, I will demonstrate how to use it as an audio interface, but it's for Ubuntu Linux. Oh yeah, and one more thing, the Zoom doesn't include a USB cable in the package. It says that I should buy a specific Zoom USB cable, but any USB cable that will fit onto the Zoom will work. So that's it for the specific information and on what the Zoom can show to you. I just have to show it to you in other videos. This is the sound coming from the H1 handy recorder. This is the sound. This is the sound coming from the Zoom H1 handy recorder. And this is the sound coming from my JVC video camera. And this is my room. There's a bit of reverb because of the the walls. Just for a comparison. Okay, this is Kirby Agudelo. I will show to you in further videos the other specific information. For now, bye bye.